Are you in pain? You're not alone. 1 in 3 adults struggle with chronic pain. Most treatments focus on symptoms, not the real cause. Temporary relief is one thing, but is your pain truly improving? The real problem: muscle inhibition. Imagine your brain is the battery powering your body, and every muscle has its own set of battery cables. If those cables are loose or corroded, the signals can't reach the muscles. In the body, that corrosion is inflammation, which blocks the nervous system's input. Without that connection, muscles can't contract efficiently, just like a car that won't start. This leads to weak muscles, tightness, and eventually pain. This is where muscle activation techniques, or MAT, makes a difference. MAT identifies and corrects muscle inhibition by restoring the brain-muscle connection. When muscles activate properly, they support your joints and relieve pain. Muscle activation techniques follows a proven 5-step process. Step 1. Identify muscle tightness. Step 2. Test for weakness. Step 3. Activate the inhibited muscles. Step 4. Retest to confirm activation. Step 5. Confirm improved movement. This process leads to lasting, measurable results. Many therapies can help, but MAT is different. We correct muscle inhibition. By addressing the root of the problem, your body will move better, feel stronger, and stay pain-free. Stop managing pain. Get to the root of the problem: muscle inhibition. Find a certified muscle activation techniques practitioner today, or become one. Our education is designed for anyone working in the health and exercise fields.